Hi, this is Keshav. I am a Python trainer in PySpiders, and one of my students, she got placed recently, and she will share some experience.
Um, so my name is Shreya G S and I'm 2024 pass out from BMS Institute of Technology. The experience here was really wonderful. The teaching by all the trainers, especially Keshav sir, it helped for my interviews a lot. And the boot camps helped in my improving my communication a lot. And also grooming sessions which were conducted regularly, like providing the guidance for what kind of questions will be asked in the interview, like demo sessions, and how to prepare, how to improve in your coding. Everything was taught in detail as me being a development student. So all the procedures followed here and all the steps guided by the trainers was really helpful for me to.
Okay. Congrats and all the best.
Thank you.
Something.